Hi, I've been looking for the right words to try and convey this message to you, but truth be told, I have failed to find the right words, but I'm still going to say it anyway, because I do not want you to hear it from anyone else. I'd love for you to hear it from myself. My name is Simwe. I am a mother of one. I am a media personality, a content creator, an influencer, and a very passionate human being. I'm here to officially announce my exit from Galaxy FM. I know. I am leaving Galaxy FM. I have worked with Galaxy FM since the year 2013 as a producer and lead presenter for the Evening Rush and also the Galaxy Top 20 Countdown. Along the way, I did add on some PR duties for the station. This has been an amazing journey, full of growth and fulfillment, because radio is my passion. Radio is what I love to do. And I'm glad that Galaxy FM gave me an opportunity to do what I truly love to do. You know, as a young girl, still in school, no qualifications at all, Galaxy FM gave me an opportunity to share my art and myself with the world. And for that, I'm very grateful. I'll take with me and keep very close to my heart. I have met so many people on this journey, people that have become personal friends, big brands that I've worked with, my colleagues that I've worked with, artists, musicians, people in the arts industry, and some of whom have become very close friends, and that I do not take for granted. I'd love to extend my sincere thanks to the management of Galaxy FM for giving me a chance and opportunity to do this, and also my family, my friends, my colleagues, and the people that have been more supportive or most supportive on this journey, the people that I call my listeners. Thank you so much. I could have never done this without you. I'm very excited for what the future holds. You know what I am about to get my hands on. I am very, very excited to explore new things and, you know, share even more of myself with you and the opportunities that lie ahead and everything that I am about to get my hands on. I'm super excited for that, to be honest. But again, thank you so much. Thank you for letting me share a mic with you, and thank you for letting me share myself with you. It's been an amazing journey. I've loved it. I loved every bit of it. Hopefully you guys can just join me, you know, in the next few days as I complete my journey on Galaxy FM that I have loved so much, every bit of it. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Until then, Simwe.